Hi everyone, my name is Rachel. I'm a product specialist at A&L Motor Sales, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust the height of your tailgate on your BMW. Once you've entered your BMW, you're going to want to access your home screen. You're going to scroll down to the car icon and select it. Then you're going to scroll down to the settings and select that. Once you've entered your settings, you're going to scroll to the right and have your doors and vehicle access highlighted. Then you're going to select that and choose tailgate. Then you're going to select opening height and adjust it according to your environment by scrolling with the dial. On the driver's side door, there is going to be a switch to access the tailgate. To open the door, press down on the switch. To close the door, pull up and hold on the switch. We hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and go visit us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok for more helpful content.